Welcome to our pronunciation guide. Today, we'll learn how to correctly pronounce the word shark. Let's break down shark into its phonetic components: shesh, e, r, and k. The shesh is a voiceless postalveolar fricative, a hissing sound produced by raising the back of the tongue. For the a, think of the sound in car. It's open and clear, resonating from your mouth. The r is a voiced alveolar approximant made by bringing the tongue close to the roof of the mouth. Finally, k is a voiceless velar plosive. Block airflow at the back of your mouth, then release. Now, observe the mouth movements required for each sound in shark. For she, round your lips slightly and produce a hissing sound. Practice this with me. Next, the a sound. Open your mouth wide, allowing the sound to emerge clearly. For the r sound, make a slight flip or tap of the tongue against the roof of your mouth. Finish with the k sound. Block the airflow, then release it with a quick burst. Imagine a classroom where a teacher guides students through the pronunciation of shark. Teacher, let's start with the shesh sound. Students practice, mimicking the hissing sound. Now, the a sound. Students follow, opening their mouths wide for the a. Good. Now, the r sound. Students practice the tongue flip or tap. Finish with the k sound. Students say shark, completing the word. Having mastered the pronunciation, let's see how shark is used in a sentence. Teacher. A shark is a large predatory fish with a cartilaginous skeleton. Sharks are known for their streamlined bodies and sharp teeth. Repeat after me. Great job. Remember to practice the pronunciation of shark using the steps we've covered.